Welcome to a world of organized living, where every inch of space counts. Today we're diving into the realm of small closets, a place often associated with chaos and clutter. Many of us grapple with the lack of space, the constant struggle to locate items, and the overwhelming sight of disarray. But fret not. We're here to transform your small closets into a well-ordered haven with some smart storage tips and organization hacks. These solutions will not only maximize your space but also make finding things a breeze. Now, without further ado, welcome to Serene Shelter, your guide to a clutter-free and well-organized life. The first step towards an organized closet is to declutter. It forms the very foundation of any well-ordered space. Imagine trying to find that perfect shirt for a meeting, but you're met with a mountain of clothes, half of which you don't even wear. Sounds stressful, right? Decluttering is the process of removing unnecessary items from an overcrowded space. It's not about getting rid of everything, but rather making mindful choices about what to keep and what to let go. It's about freeing up space for the things that truly matter. Think about the items you no longer need or haven't used in the past year. Those clothes that no longer fit, or that pair of shoes you bought on impulse. All these items can be donated, sold, or recycled, making room for what you actually use and love. Don't underestimate the power of decluttering. It not only optimizes your closet space, but also simplifies the process of finding items. No more frantic searches for that one piece of clothing. Your mornings become smoother and your mind, well, a bit more serene. Remember, less is often more when it comes to closet space. Now that we've decluttered, it's time to make the most of our space. So, let's dive into some clever storage tips that can help you optimize your small closet. Our first tip is to consider using multi-level hangers. These hangers are designed to hold multiple garments at once, which is a real space saver. For example, you can hang 5 shirts in the same space as one. Just imagine how much more room you'll have. Next, don't forget the potential of your door space. Many people overlook this area, but it's prime real estate in a small closet. You can install hooks, over-the-door organizers, or even shallow shelving units to store items like scarves, belts, or ties. This way, they're easily accessible and don't take up valuable hanging or drawer space. Speaking of drawers, our third tip is to use dividers. They're a simple and affordable way to instantly create more organized space within your drawers. You can use them to separate socks from underwear or categorize your t-shirts by color. The possibilities are endless, and the result is a neat and tidy drawer that makes finding what you need a breeze. Another useful tip is to consider adding extra shelves or cubbies, especially higher up in the closet. Often this space goes unused, but it's perfect for storing out-of-season clothing or less frequently used items. Just remember to keep a small step stool nearby for easy access. Lastly, consider using storage boxes or bins. These can be stacked on shelves or slid under hanging clothes, providing additional storage for things like shoes, bags, or hats. Plus, they can add a pop of color and personality to your closet. Implementing these tips can drastically improve the functionality of your small closet. By using multi-level hangers, taking advantage of door space, utilizing drawer dividers, adding extra shelving, and incorporating storage boxes, you'll be amazed at how much more space you can create. With these tips, you can double or even triple your closet space. Now, isn't that a breath of fresh air? Scene script. Storage is just one part of the equation. Next, let's tackle organization. Imagine opening your closet and instantly locating that electric blue sweater you love, or your favorite pair of jeans. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it doesn't have to be. With a few organizational hacks, your dream can become a reality. Let's start with a simple yet effective hack: arranging clothes by color or type. This not only makes your closet look aesthetically pleasing, but it also saves you precious time in the morning. No more rummaging through piles of clothes to find what you need. Everything is right there, in its place, easy to spot and grab. Next up, we have labels. Yes, labels are not just for files and folders in your office. They can be a game changer in your closet too. Label your shelves, drawers, and boxes. You'll be surprised at how much time you save when you know exactly where to find your winter scarves or summer sandals. Now let's talk about the placement of items. The golden rule here is to keep frequently used items at eye level. This way, you have easy access to what you need the most. On the other hand, keep seasonal or rarely used items on higher shelves or at the back of the closet. Remember, it's all about ease and convenience. Another great hack is to utilize the inside of the closet doors. Hang hooks or install small racks to store accessories, belts, or ties. This not only saves space, but also keeps these items visible and within reach. And lastly, don't forget about the floor space. Use it wisely. Store shoes in a neat row or use stackable boxes to maximize space. Remember, these are just suggestions. Feel free to tweak them according to your needs and preferences. Organizing is not a one-size-fits-all affair. It's about creating a system that works for you. Organization is not just about making your closet look neat, it's about making your life easier. And there you have it, simple yet effective ways to transform your small closet. By decluttering, adopting smart storage strategies, and implementing some organizational hacks, you can maximize your space and find what you need with ease. These tips aren't just about tidying up, they're about enhancing your daily life. So why not give them a try? You might be surprised at the difference they make. What do you think of these tips? Have you tried any, or do you have any of your own to share? Don't forget to comment below, and if you found this video helpful, do like, share, and subscribe to Serene Shelter for more such tips. Here's to a clutter-free life.